Today, I'm going to teach you how to add time text to your Facebook stories. This is a great alternative to captions, especially when you have a video where there's no talking going on. And it can keep your viewers watching longer, which can lead to them engaging with your call to action, making sales, all that jazz. Hey, Steph Parisi here. If you want to make more sales from your Facebook and Instagram stories, check out my stories workshop. It's just 25 minutes, and in it, I teach you how to convert your story viewers into customers in less than 5 seconds. Let's dive into this today. Okay, so I am going to just open up Facebook here, and then you're going to click the blue plus sign that says create story. And then you have to have a video, okay? So if you're gonna be adding time text, it has to be to a video. It cannot be to a picture. Just good to note that. And we're gonna pick this video here that I have, okay? And then, it's pretty simple, okay? The key though with the text is to be creative so it keeps people watching. All I'm gonna do, and you could add music to this story too. Check out this tutorial above if you're like, hey, teach me how to add in music, how to adjust volumes, all the things like that. But for the sake of this tutorial today, we're keeping it simple. I have my video here. It's my husband assembling a new grill. It's not Father's Day yet, so I'm going to say, hey, Father's Day came early because this has been on his wish list for years. So to do the time text, just click the text button in the upper right-hand corner. And what I recommend doing is if you kind of know all the text that you want to add, you're going to just like create that. You'll see what I mean here. So Father's Day came early this year. Okay. And then if you scroll here, it lets you choose like what type of text you want. I'm looking at it. Maybe I'll do this one. Now, if I use this bar on the side, see how that adjusts it to how many lines? And then at the top, say I want to center the text. I'm just clicking to center. There we go. Um, and, okay, if I want to Okay, so there, before I time it out, I'm going to get all the text that I want to add. I'm going to say Father's Day came early this year. And then I am going to add in, so you can even just have it be an emoji. I could do something like this one. And then I just click the done. Okay, so the next one that I'm going to have pop up is just the emojis. And then I can add in another one. My husband's name is Jack, so that's why I'm going to write Happy Jack. Okay. Now I have text bubbles that I want to add in. Now I'm going to time them out. Okay. So I select the text I want. Now on the top, you see the little time. We're going to click that. Okay. And it's going to let me choose what part of the video that I want it to be. So I just want this one to be at the very beginning. Okay. See how I can adjust it? Okay, I'm going to say Father's Day came early this year because I want it to there. See how it just disappeared? Okay. And then I click done. And then I'm going to click the emojis. I'm going to add them. So I'm going to have them pop up right after the other text disappears. Okay. But before the actual grill comes up, okay? And then I click done. And then I see I can reposition them here. That comes up. Then the emojis come up. And then now I'm going to add the time to the Happy Jack part. Okay. So I click the little timer and we're going to have this one be at the very end. And maybe I'll edit this text. So I'm going to say Jack is happy about his new grill. And I'll put in a little, and then we'll do that. Okay, see how it disappeared because it was at the end. All right, so there's that. And then now we're gonna resize it. Father's Day came early this year. Let's see if everything's the way I want it. Good. Jack is happy about his new girl. Now, all you're gonna do is click the little share button in the bottom right-hand corner, and that is how you add time text to your story.